Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamila Tabassum and you're watching Shami's Kitchen. So today's recipe is easy homemade chicken nuggets made with chicken breast and coated in a layer of panko breadcrumbs. This one is a crowd pleaser, especially for the youngest mouths. So let's make chicken nuggets. Wash 500 grams chicken cubes and pat dry before you start the process. Now I'm going to add this in a food processor. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 3 teaspoon garlic powder. Close the lid. Pulse on and off for a minute to get a thick consistency. And now apply some water to your hands to prevent sticking and shape the chicken nuggets by hand into a round or long square shape. Now dip these nuggets in beaten egg first and then in breadcrumbs. Place nuggets on a plate or tray and leave in the fridge for at least half an hour. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry till it becomes golden brown. You can also cook the nuggets by deep frying, baking or in the air fryer. So now you can see they are perfectly golden brown and crisp on the outside, juicy and tender inside. And now these chicken nuggets are ready to serve, and serve this with your favorite dip. Only 3 ingredients enough to make this chicken nuggets, but if you want you can add paprika, dried oregano and dried parsley to enhance the flavor. So guys, give this a try, let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shamis.kitchen. Follow us for more short recipes and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.